Hello students, good morning to all of you, and today we are starting the linear equation in two variable, that is of class 9th maths. So students, in the previous classes of linear equation in two variables I have taken the concepts and some important questions, and today I am taking the questions of exercise 4.3, that is very important exercise, and it has question of 3 or 4 number. So students, I am taking some important questions from the exercise, and rest of the questions I will be take in your query session. So the students, the question number 4 is very important. The question is, the taxi fare in a city is as follows. The fare for first kilometer. The question is saying that, fourth question is saying that the fare for first kilometer, पहले 1 किलोमीटर के लिए किराया 8 रुपए. The fare is rupees 8 for the first kilometer and rupees 5 for the subsequent kilometers, like this. मतलब 5 rupees for this kilometer, rupees 5 for that kilometer, and rupees 5 for that kilometer. So it will repeat like this. So students, let the distance traveled be x, and the question is also saying that the distance traveled is x kilometer and the fare is rupees y. So students, let us be write, let the distance traveled be x kilometer, and the total fare is rupees y from the first kilometer to the last kilometer. Now we will write according to question. We get according to question, पहले 1 किलोमीटर के लिए किराया 8 रुपए, so it will be 1 into rupee 8 plus rupees 5 for the next kilometers, for next all kilometer except first kilometer. So the total distance is x, and we have taken fare for first kilometer, so the distance will be x minus 1. So it will be 5 into x minus 1 is equal to y, or we can write it as y is equal to 8 ones are 8 plus 5x minus 5, that is 8 ones are 8, 5 into x, that is 5x, minus 5 ones are 5. Now it will be y is equal to 5x, 8 minus 5, that is minus 3. So this is the equation. Okay students, and after it all, the question is also saying that draw the situation graphically and algebraically. So first of all, we will show the situation algebraically. So first of all, we will put the values of x and we will got the values of y. So students, you can see on putting x is equal to 0. Students, I want to tell you one thing, is that these all questions are same, means we will put the value of one variable and we will always got the value of one variable. So, and every question will contain x and y, two variables, because the chapter name is linear equation in two variables. So students, you can see on putting x is equal to 0, then y will be y is equal to 5 into 0 minus 3, that is x ki value 0, so it is 0. So y is equal to minus 3, 8 minus 5, that is plus 3, okay. So it will be plus 3. So 5 zeros are 0, it is 3. On putting, फिर से on putting x is equal to 1, फिर से हम 1 put करेंगे, then y will be 5 in bracket 1 plus 3, that is y is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 3, that is 8. Again फिर से हम put करेंगे x is equal to 2, or we can say that you can put also minus 1 आप put करके, let it is 2, let we are putting 2, let we are putting minus 1, because we always want the shorter number, so 5 into minus 1 plus 3, so that is y is equal to 5 into minus 5 minus 2, so the answer will be minus 2, and we will make a box here, and on the one hand we will put the values of x and input values and we will got the output values after it all. So students, on putting x is equal to 0, after putting x 0, then we got y and then 1 and then 8 and then minus 1 and then minus 2. So these are the values. Now we are showing these values graphically. So that is the origin O, that is x-axis. Yes students, all questions are same. All question will say draw the situation algebraically and graphically. So you will solve like this all questions. Okay, but questions are different, the concept is same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So student, the first situation is x is equal to 0. We will not forward on this side, and y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3, 1, 2, 3. So that situation is 0, 3. After the situation minus 1, minus 2, x is minus 1 and y is minus 2. That is minus 1, minus 2. So students, you can see that x is equal to minus 1 and minus 2. So we will join these 2 points like this. So that is the graph of y is equal to 5x plus 3 or whatever it is. So you can write it as y is equal to 5x plus 3. That is the situation of the graph. That is graphical by this all. Okay students, I hope you understood that question very well. Now I am taking another question also. So students, all of you, yes. Now here it is. Like I am taking question number 6. That is also an important question. If the work done by a body on the application of constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body, means the question is saying that on the application of constant force, work done is directly proportional to the distance travelled. Let the distance travelled be. Let student the distance be S. S is the distance travelled, और we can say let D. D मान लीजिए, distance को हम D मान लेते हैं, and W is the work done. W is the work done and D is the distance. According to question, the question is saying that W is directly proportional to the distance travelled. Work done is directly proportional to the distance travelled, where W is the work done and D is the distance, and W is equal to FD, where F is equal to constant force, where F is the constant force. So here one thing is also expressed this in the form of an equation in 2 variables, that is the equation in 2 variables, where the variables are F and D, and W and D. F is constant, and draw the graph of the same by taking as constant force is equal to 5 unit. Constant force we will take 5 unit. So after taking force is equal to 5 unit, so W is equal to 5 of D. W is equal to 5D. So students, also read the graph, the work done, the distance travelled. The question is saying that the first question is if D is equal to 2 units. If D is equal to 2 units, then work done is equal to 5 into 2. That is 10 joule. The unit of work done is joule. So that is 10 joule. And the second thing is if D is equal to 0 unit. If t is equal to 0 unit, then work done is equal to 5 into 0. 5 zeros are 0. That is also in the form of unit. So the answers will be 10 unit and 10 joule and 0 joule. So you can show it algebraically also. After putting d, we will got w. When we will put 2, then it will be 10. If 0, then it will be 0. We can show it graphically here side, or at x-axis we should take d and on y-axis we will take w. So students, you can see that only we are showing graph. So graph, that is 0, 0, that is origin, एक point ये है, और second point is w. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. जब ये 2 है तो ये 10 है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That is 10. We will join these two and w is equal to 5d. Okay students, the w is equal to 5 of d. Okay, that w is equal to 5d. That is the answer of this question. And also I am taking one more question after it. Let us see all of you. I hope this question is completed from your side. Yes students, here let I am discussing the question number 3rd. That is very easy question, and I am taking frequently question number 3rd. The third question is, if the point 3, 4, the points are 3, 4. If the point is given to you, then first is the value of x and second is the value of y always. Of the equation is 3y is equal to ax plus 7. And find a. That is very easy question. The value of x and y is given to you, and the equation is also given to you. 3y is equal to ax plus 7. So let x की वैल्यू यहाँ पर आप चेक करोगे तो ये है 3, and if you are checking the value of y, that is 4. After it all, 3 into y is 4 is equal to a, x is 3 plus 7. 4 3s are 12 is equal to 3a plus 7. 12 minus 7 upon 3 is equal to a. 12 में से 7 के बचे 5, so a is equal to 5 upon 3. So the value of a will be 5 upon 3. Okay students, I hope that is completed from your side. A is equal to 5 upon 3, that is the answer. And let I am taking one more question students. Question number 2. Let us see fast. Give the equations of the two lines passing through 2, 14. The question is saying that two lines are passing through the points 2, 14. How many more such lines are there and given by you? इस पॉइंट से दो लाइन पास करती हैं तो उन दोनों लाइंस की इक्वेशन बताइए. सबसे पहले देखिए बेटा, here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 14. Okay, and you know very well that 2, that is 2 and that is 14. 2 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 14 हो जाए, सेम x में क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे y हो जाए. So the first equation is, the equations are, we are making the equations. सबसे पहले y is equal to 14 जो है वो 7 गुना है 2 का, तो y is equal to 7x. that is the first equation. y is equal to 7x. आप चेक करके देख सकते हो, 14 is equal to 7 into 2, so that is y is equal to 7x. And one more thing is also x plus y is equal to x plus y. X is 2 and y is 14, so 2 plus 14 is equal to 16, so x plus y is equal to 16. That is the second equation. So students, I hope that question is also completed from my side, and my message to all the students is that complete your work up to the linear equation in two variable. In the next class I will take the next chapter. Okay students.